students, today I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 8.2. Now question number 2 says, write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. Now here place value table is given in which number is plotted. Okay, what we have to do, we will have to form the decimal number. Now in the first part we have 0 at 100 place, 0 at 10s place, 3 is at 1s place. Now see, here is decimal. That means left side of decimal is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and so on, which we have done in junior classes. And after decimal is 10th place, means if you make the substance into 10 parts, then it is 1 out of 10 parts. If you make the substance into 100 parts, then it is 1 by 100. If you make the substance into 1000 part, then 1 by 1000 means 1 part of 1000 parts. Okay, so here how will you form the decimal? Suppose here is the decimal, so left side of 0 is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and so on, and right side of decimal is 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Now here 0 is at 100 place. So here is 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, right? So 0 will be here. Now 0 is at 10's place, so here is 0. Now 3 is at 1's place, so here is 3 point. Now 10th place, so this is first decimal place, means after point this is called first decimal place. Okay, so here will be 2. Now after 10th place we have 100th place, and in 100th place we have 5. Okay, now in 1000 place we have 0. So the number will become 3.25. Okay, so the number will become 3.25. These 0 have no value. That's here 003 means 3.250. Here also these 0 have no value, so the number will become 3.25. Now in the next part we have 1 is at 100 place, so 1. Then 0 is at 10 place and 2 is at 1's place. Now after 1 place decimal comes. Now after decimal 6 is at 10th place, so we'll write 6 here. Then 3 is at 100th place, so we'll write 3 here, and 0 is at 1000 place, right? So the number will become 102.630, or we can write it as 102.63. Okay, now coming to C part. In the C part we have 0 is at 100th place, so 0. Then 3 is at 10th place, 3 is at 10th place, so it's 3. Then 0 is at 1's place, so 0. Then after 1's place decimal comes. Then after decimal is 10th place, so here at 10th place we have 0, so we'll put 0. Then at 100th place we have 2, so we'll write 2, and 5 is at 1000th place, so it's 5. Okay, so after decimal is 10th place, then 100th place, then 1000th place. Okay, so the number will become 30.025. Okay, now next in D part we have 2 is at 100 place, we'll write 2. Then 1 is at 10's place, 1. Then 1 is at 1's place. Now after 1's place decimal comes, and after decimal is 10th place. So which number is there, which digit is there at 10th place is 9. Then 0 is at 100th place, so is 0, and 2 is at 1000th place. So the number will become 211.902. Okay, 902. And the last one we have 0 is at 100 place. Now these 0 have no value, so we can start with 10's place. So at 10's place we have 1. At 1's place we have 2. Now after 1's place, this is whole number. Now after 1's place decimal comes. Now after decimal 2 is at 10th place, so it's 2. 4 is at 1's place, so it's 4, and 1 is at 1000 place. Okay, So the number will become 12.241. So in this way, we can write the number in decimal form using place value chart. There is another way of finding the number in decimal form. Okay, what is that? Here, see, this we have written in shortcut way. Now if you want to write this in expanded form, like here 0 is at 100 place, so since it is at 100 place, so it will be multiplied by 100. Now 0 is at 10th place, so it will be multiplied by 10. Now 3 is at 1's place, so it will be multiplied by 1. Now 2 is at 10th place, so 2 will be multiplied by 1 by 10 because it is at 10th place. Now 5 is at 100th place, so 5 will be multiplied by 1 by 100, and 0 is at 1000 place, so 0 will be multiplied by 1000. Okay, now 0 into 100 is 0, plus 0 into 10 is 0, plus 3 into 1 is 3, plus 2 is at 10th place, means 2 into 1 by 10 is 2 by 10. Now since here is 1 0 in the denominator, that means after one digit, after decimal will be one digit, so it will be 0.2. Now 5 is at 5 is at 100th place, so since 2 zeros in the denominator, so after decimal will be 2 digit, here is 1 digit, so we will have to put 0 to make 2 digits, so it's 0.5, so it will be 0.05, plus 0 is at 1000 place, means 0 multiplied by 1000, which is 0. Now when you will add this all, see 0 plus 0 is 0, now we will add this 3. Okay, so 3 can be written as 3.00. As you know that while adding we will have to put the decimal below decimal. 0.2 can be written as 0.20, because after decimal we can add whatever zeros we want to add. Okay, so we want to put, we can put. So 0.05 after this. So when you will add this, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3. So it's 3.25, which we have got already. So in this way also we can find the number in decimal form. Okay, so this was all about question number 2. Now coming to question number 3. Now question number 3 says, write the following decimal in the place value table. Here decimal number is given and here is the place value chart. So what we have to do, we will have to put this decimal in the place value table. Now here we have in the first number, in the first part we have 0.29. Now we know that before decimal is 1's place and after decimal is 10th place, right? So where is point here? Here is point actually. So before point is 1's place, so 0 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10th place and 9 is at 100th place. Okay, now next again 2 is at 1's place, so 2 is here, then point 08, 0 is at 10th place and 8 is at 100th place. Now next we have 19.60. So before point is 1's place and 1 is at 10th place, so we'll write 1 here, then 9 is at 1's place, then 6 is at 10th place and 0 is at 100th place. Okay, now next 1 is at 100th place, because here is the decimal, so this is 1's, 10's, 100th, so 1 is at 100th place, so we'll put 1 here, then 4 is at 10th place and 8 is at 1's place, then decimal, then 3 is at 10th place and 2 is at 100th place. Okay, now in the last part we have 200.812, 200, so 2 is at 100th place, right? And here we have 0 0 because this is 10th place, this is 1's place and this is 100th place. So 2 is at 100th place, 0 is at 10th place and 0 is again at 1's place. Then after decimal 8 is at 10th place, 1 is at 100th place and 2 is at 1000th place. Okay, so in this way we will have to write the decimal in the place value table. Okay, so this was all about question number 3. Thank you, students.